Hello guys, my name is Chin Feling, class 11 acting 2. In this video, we will make how to make sweet and sour chicken. Ingredient: chicken fillet, one tablespoon ground pepper, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon chicken stock, 4 cloves of garlic that have been mashed. Add the marinade spices and stir until evenly distributed and wait for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, cook the chicken with all-purpose flour until it runs out. After cooking the chicken with flour, now the chicken is ready to be fried until half cooked. Ingredient: enough margarine, 3 cloves of garlic sliced twice, 3 red chilies sliced obliquely, 1 onion, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon stock powder, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon pepper powder, 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce, original sauce to taste, sweet soy sauce, original sauce to taste. The method: heat the oil and pour enough margarine. Then add the onions and garlic. Stir fry until fragrant. Add the tomato sauce, original sauce, oyster sauce, and seasonings, namely pepper powder, sugar, salt, chicken stock. Stir the spices until evenly distributed. And add the chicken that has been fried until evenly distributed. And this is the result. Thank you for watching. Good luck!